Hello and welcome to Lesson 3 of our phonics this week for the week of April 13th, 2020. So we've already reviewed high frequency words and prefixes, and now it's time for us to review homophones. All right, day 3, and we're working on homophones today. So you will need a piece of paper and a writing utensil for when you work on phonics. So you can choose whatever writing utensil you're in the mood for, and we're going to get started reviewing our homophones. Homophones are words that sound the same but mean something different. So, for instance, there, and there. Now you might say, hey, you just said there 3 times, and you are absolutely correct, I did. But if you looked closely, there was spelled differently all 3 times also. Okay, I'm just using my highlighter tool here. Okay, so the first there, T-H-E-I-R, is referring to someone's property, like she lives in their house. Okay, the next there is a location or place. She lives over there. And there, T-H-E-Y apostrophe R-E, is a contraction that means they are. So if you could replace there with they are, then you need the T-H-E-Y apostrophe R-E there in its place. So we have there, and there, but they mean 3 different things. And you might say, Mrs. Obitz, I'm still a little confused. No problem. Let's work on it again. So here we go, T-H-E-I-R. That's their stuff, their house, their car. T-H-E-R-E means there is a place you want to be. So when you think of T-H-E-R-E, you could also think of here, because you could see the word here in the word there. And it's a location for a place. When they are is what you mean, that's when you add the apostrophe. So T-H-E-Y apostrophe R-E. So let's kind of say this little poem to get it stuck in our head. T-H-E-I-R, that's their stuff, their house, their car. T-H-E-R-E, here is the place that you want to be. When they are is what you mean, that's when you add the apostrophe. It's a little rhyming poem to get you kind of remembering. All right, let's work on this together. And then in a little bit, I'm going to have you do some work independently. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we are going to fill out which there, or there we need in the sentence. Now, you know what, guys, I'm going to tell you. There are lots of adults that mix up theirs in sentences. You wouldn't believe it. So now that you understand it more, you'll be able to kind of see when even adults make mistakes with the theirs, okay? Now, the first one, it says, are you going to their house after school? Before we answer, I'm going to flip back here. Are you going to their house after school? You're right, it's T-H-E-I-R. Are you going to their house after school is the T-H-E-I-R there. We are going there. Would you like to come? We are going there. That reminds me of a location. So if it's a location, and we need to use the there that also has here in it. T-H-E-R-E. Oops, I don't need a capital in the middle of a sentence, right, guys? We are going there. Would you like to come? Now the next sentence, number 3, says, they're 2 of my friends. Now, I know that's not a location, and it's not a possession, right? There. If you can say they are, then we need to use the there with an apostrophe. They are 2 of my friends? Yeah, that could work. So we need to write THEY''re. They're two of my friends. Can you go there with me? And that also sounds like a location. So if we're going to a location, I'll say the there with the here in it. THERE. Can you go there with me? Number 5, their mom is the coolest. Could we say they are? They are mom is the coolest? Does that make sense? No. So we can't use the apostrophe RE. Is it a location? No. Is it more of a possession, like it's something that they possess or they own? Kind of, yeah. So their mom is the coolest. There. Okay, awesome job. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a worksheet to work on. And you can either download it and work on it in Notability or something like that. You guys know all those apps. You guys know which ones to use, right? Notability, Keynote. What's another one? Anyway, you guys know what I'm thinking, right? Of course you do. Okay, so we're working on there, and there. And here's another example of all the theirs. And then what you're going to do is you're going to just fill it in, okay? Now here's the deal. I'm giving you a huge break. I'm giving you the answer key. Now, you might say, sweet Mrs. Obitz, I'm just going to look at the answers and cheat. But that's not helping you learn, is it? Of course not. So, you don't need to submit this to Schoology. However, if you want to show your teacher that you did it, please do. It's totally up to you. But what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you answer first and be honest. Do not sneak peeks, okay, guys? So you're going to answer first, and then you're going to go through and correct it and see how you did. Because let's say you got half of them wrong. You mixed up the theirs. What does that tell you? That tells you that you're still learning and you need to practice some more, right? If you do it and you didn't sneak peeks and you got them all right, what does that tell you? That tells you that you probably understand the set of homophones with there, and there. Does it tell you that you know all homophones? No, but it tells you that you've understood these pretty well. Okay? So I'm giving you the answer sheet as a way to help yourself and a way for you to learn better by checking your answers. Okay? For those of you that decide to just go and cheat, well, I can be honest with you. You're not learning. You're just cheating. And what was the point of that? Right, guys? Okay, so I know you're going to be honest and do your best work and then check your answers. And if you want to submit it to Schoology to show your teacher that you did it, then you sure may. All right, guys, I hope you have a great day. Bye.